Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Now, I've been trying to grow my eyebrows and eyelashes. Due to the pandemic, I have not been able to get them threaded or waxed, so I decided to start using this Pureaty Naturals Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum to try to grow them out a bit. This particular serum is made with a natural formula and consists of ingredients such as green tea extract, castor oil, and biotin. Green tea extract controls bacterial and fungal growth on the skin, it stimulates circulation, and it contains antioxidants that protect the hair follicle. Castor oil is a fatty acid that provides essential proteins and nutrients to the hair follicle, and the nutrients in castor oil indirectly promote hair growth by protecting the hair follicle from outside cellular and tissue invaders that destroy the health and vitality of the hair. And biotin is a B vitamin believed to thicken hair, improve hair growth, and help with inflammation. And together, those ingredients nourish the hair follicles, strengthen and hydrate the hair, promoting longer lashes and brows. And here are the directions for use. First, you want to apply a thin sweep to the upper lash line and sparse areas of the brow. Then you want to allow it to fully absorb before proceeding with your nighttime skincare routine. And you want to avoid direct contact with the eyes and do not apply more than once per day. And for best results, use the serum daily at night. And I will be following those directions to a T to make sure that I get optimal results. Now, I do fill my brows in every day because they are so thin. I want to make sure that I rid them of any makeup residue, so I'm going to use this Biore Rich Hazel Cleanser to make sure that my pores are clean and that there's nothing impeding the absorption of the serum. I just apply a small amount of the cleanser and work up a good lather before wiping it away with a warm microfiber towel. And once my brows are clean, I use a wand brush to comb and shape hair back in place. The sparsest part of my brow is from the highest point to the end, so that will be my main area of focus. As the instructions directed, I will sweep a thin layer in that area on both of my brows, and then I'll move on to my upper lash line. Once I'm done applying the serum, I grab my wand and I use it to brush in and spread any excess serum so that it is evenly distributed. Then I wait a few minutes to allow the serum to be completely absorbed, then off to bed I go. And here are my 2-week results after daily use. The bottom photo is day 14 and the top photo is day 1. My eyelashes in the after photo are noticeably thicker as they appear darker and fuller than the before picture. And they are also a tad bit longer as well. And this is the results for my right brow. Now I can really see a big difference here. Mind you, when I started using this serum, I had not had my brows waxed or threaded in about 6 months due to the pandemic. So the before picture was about as thick as my brows would grow. Now I can really see a huge difference in the after photo, especially on the tail end, which was the thinnest and my main area of focus when applying the serum. And lastly, my left brow. Again, I got the same positive hair growth results. Now my left brow was even thinner than my right brow, but after using the serum, it is filling in quite nicely. My final thoughts on the Pureaty Biotin Eyelash and Brow Serum is that it really works. Now this is based on my positive results after using the serum for 14 days. It proved that the formula is effective if used consistently and as directed. Overall, I was very impressed with this product because it really did do what it claimed, and that was help enhance my short and thinning lashes, and it made my brows appear a lot thicker and fuller. You guys, please check out the description box below for more product details as well as a discount code if you guys decide to purchase this product. Again, thank you for tuning in, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.